The most effective way to remove sticky residue from breakroom surfaces is to combine the right solvent with targeted agitation and routine access to the affected spaces. Begin by identifying the residue type so you choose the correct solvent. For sugar or syrup-based stickiness, use warm water with a few drops of dish soap because surfactants break down sugars without damaging finishes. For greasy or oil-based films, use a water and white vinegar solution at 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water or a citrus-based cleaner. Let it sit 30 to 60 seconds to dissolve oils before wiping. For dried adhesives or stubborn labels, apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber cloth and rub in a circular motion until the tack lifts, then rinse the area with a damp cloth. Always test the solvent in an inconspicuous spot first to confirm it does not dull or discolor the surface. Use a plastic scraper or an old credit card for non-porous counters to avoid scratching while you scrape softened residue. Finish by drying with a clean microfiber cloth to remove streaks and any remaining particulate matter. Common mistakes are using abrasive pads that scratch laminate or stainless steel counters, relying only on surface wipes which can smear sticky material rather than remove it, and ignoring the backs and undersides of appliances where buildup hides. If you find scratches, stop using abrasive tools and switch to non-abrasive scrubs or a plastic scraper and polish with a non-abrasive cleaner. If wiping just spreads the residue, increase dwell time with an appropriate solvent and agitate gently with a microfiber cloth until the bond breaks. If you never move appliances monthly, you will miss hidden deposits, so pull units out on a scheduled monthly basis and clean the exposed floor and base areas. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors for cleaning, repair, and maintenance projects related to breakroom and commercial spaces, and we make it easy for contractors to find work in their service area. We also host a discussion community where users and professionals exchange tips, ask questions, and share vendor and product experiences.